I'm at home, I'm at home. Word of my venom, you niggas is trippin'. I'm running them binges, and I'm lifting it. Pillow, you bitches, you rockin' them sisters. A trip to the bank, we poppin' them hinges. I strongly advise for you niggas that's rapping. I strongly advise for you niggas that's trapping. I strongly advise for you niggas that capping. And stop all the BS, you know that we with it. Bust at you ops, whipping the yellow, we driving a lot. But the night that you niggas, you ain't can run lot. Bitch, I'm sunning you niggas, you fallin' like Icarus. Eat on the beat, I be smacking and chewing. Your girl on her knees, she be gagging and drooling. We ballin' me in and no passenger shooting. The flooding the waves, I'm facade and I do it. The tool be on me, you do what it do. If I don't got it on me, my homie gon' shoot. Catching you niggas, you lacking in traffic. Nigga get pressed with the iron like fashion. Reversing the wall, bitch, I'm stepping like Jackson. Promise you niggas, y'all don't want no action. Flow so wild, bitch, it come with attachments. Buddy in the pool like a chicken in soup. My K9 for cameras, you know what to do. Attacking your door, my shoe and Subaru. They stand in red, they don't come in blue. You came in LaMelo, then you gotta shoot. You done fucked up. You done fucked up. You done fucked up. Bitch, you done fucked up. Decapitation still a fair. Just a jit, ready clear. You a bitch, you want a man. Iron Man, Jake, Tim, and Diamond Man. No survivors, that's the plan. You done fucked up, bitch, you done fucked up. Decapitation still a fact, just a jit, ready clear. You a bitch, you want a man. Iron Man, Jake, Tim, and Diamond Man. No survivors, that's the plan. Bitch, you done fucked up, bitch, you done fucked up. I'm at home, I'm at home.